back to Gmania. This is Ruchi. Thank you so much for coming. Here I am with my next video, and in this video I'm going to talk about the book called Rework. So basically, kuch time pehle I came across this video on the Ankur Wariku's channel, Wariku, that is on the book Rework. He said that every entrepreneur, every startup planner, everyone should read this book because this book actually changes the way you think of the work is going on and how you're gonna make your work do well. So he gifted this to all of his close friends and all of the person who is worth it for it. So he didn't gift it me because I am not his friend. So I got it for me and thought of giving it a try. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Ta-da! The book consists of 13 chapters, and in this video we are going to talk about the first 2 chapters. At first, we are going to talk about rework. What is rework? The first chapter actually describes that whatever was impossible 5 or 10 years before is possible today. It was impossible to talk to people from one country to different country, but now it is possible. We have seen in this lockdown that everyone can talk to anyone. And back then also you have so many facilities of video conferencing and other stuff so that you can connect to people. Nowadays you don't need a lot of money and lot of risk to actually start a business. If you think you can go with anything. You don't need to think a lot. The next thing which it talks, you don't need an office nowadays. Everyone doesn't need the office to start a business. You can start in your garage, in your home, wherever. If you find the story, you'll get to know that every started person, the first famous person have started the business in their garage, in their home. Nowadays, you can just start your business with your laptops. So it's the time to rework, rethink, and in this book, he has said all the things which we find very important. So next thing we are going to talk about is Take Down, the second chapter. So it consists of 5 more topics, and the first one is Ignore the Real World. We often say that this dunya is not for us. ये जगह हमारे लिए नहीं है. यहाँ के लोग समझदार नहीं हैं. अगर हमने ये कर लिया तो लोग क्या कहेंगे? यहाँ पे कोई नए आइडियाज़ नहीं सीखता, नहीं सोचता, सिर्फ पुराने आइडियाज़ को फॉलो ऑन करते हैं या फिर बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज में घुसना चाहते हैं. Guys, that's not the way you think of it. If you think you have an idea, if you think you can do something better than the world, then go for it. You don't have to give always excuses like लोग क्या बोलेंगे, घर वाले क्या सोचेंगे, बाहर वाले क्या सोचेंगे, क्या होगा. I want to ask you guys one thing. Do you want to have pizza? Then what do? You ask your parents, you ask your family members, you go and have it. So in the same scenario, if you have an idea, go for it. Take the first step. Everything goes on and on and on. Don't give these excuses that people will not understand. They will never understand. Ignore the world and make your own world. Next thing we're going to talk about is failure is not the rite of passage. You have always heard from a lot of people कि fail हो जाओगे, 10 में से 9 business fail हो जाते हैं, सबकी ideas नहीं चलती, सारी चीजें नहीं आती. But trust me my friend, according to this book, they have said उनकी गलती है कि वो फेल हुए. आपको उससे मतलब ही नहीं है. अगर आपके सामने वाला बच्चा फेल हो रहा है एग्जाम में, क्या ये जरूरी है कि आप भी फेल होगे? क्या पता आप पढ़ के गए होगे, क्या पता जो आंसर्स आपने बनाए हैं वो सही निकले. You don't know what's gonna be in the future. आप रिजल्ट की चिंता कर क्यों रहे हो? Why are you comparing yourself with other people? You shouldn't have done that. सामने वाला फेल हो रहा है. If 10 businesses failing around you, that's not your fault. It's their fault. Maybe you have a different mind. Maybe you have a different idea with lot of profit. So don't always think that others are failing, so I'm gonna fail. No, maybe you're the one who gonna pass in that 10 people. The next thing which he's gonna say is learn from mistakes. You have always heard this, but in this book it says learn from success. Obviously we learn from success. Imagine you're baking a cake and yet you have tried something different and the cake's taste is way more tastier than the last one. And the next time you make it, it is much more tastier because success gives you confidence, and that confidence helps you grow more and it helps in growing your business as well. Next thing we're gonna talk about is planning is guessing. According to this book, we can't plan a whole business idea. आपको नहीं पता कल क्या होने वाला है, परसों कौन सी ट्रेंड आने वाली है, किस सिचुएशन में आपको कौन सा डिसीजन लेना है. What we do, we plan the whole idea, and when we write it down, and when the circumstances is not according to your plan, then you don't know what to do. So don't guess it. Planning is generally a guess. Make a 1 week plan rather than a 1 year plan. Just get on the plane. You can buy a nice shirt, toothpaste, shampoo on the way. So don't always think of planning big days, big time, nothing. Just think what is the next thing you're gonna do and what you're gonna do in the next week, not in the next year. Next thing we're gonna talk about is why grow. So basically in this book it says why it is necessary to hire 200 people in a company at starting. क्या पता सिर्फ आप और आपके लैपटॉप काफ़ी हो आपकी कंपनी चलाने के लिए. क्या पता सिर्फ 5 लोग जो सही से काम कर रहे हैं वो काफ़ी हो आपकी कंपनी चलाने के लिए. ये सिर्फ एक र्यूमर है जो हमें लगता है, विच वी हैव हर्ड फ्रॉम लॉट ऑफ पीपल, दैट वी नीड अ लॉट ऑफ इंटर्न्स, अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल टू वर्क इन आवर कंपनी. Sometimes that 5 people can take your company to a long way, not that 80 or 100 people. That may spoil the things because the larger the organization, the larger the management, the larger the gossips. So ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा होती है अगर आपकी कंपनी में बहुत सारी चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा है. Take it office, take it infrastructure, because kind of you're wasting money on that. If you would have invested money on some other thing, maybe वो चीज़ ज़्यादा अच्छी होती. So don't always think of hiring a lot of people doing all the right things. I said it before and I'm saying it again from this book that maybe 2 people are the best for your company, maybe 100 people are best for your company, maybe just you and your laptop is the best for your company. So find it out and then work. Next thing we are going to talk about is workaholism. So basically workaholism refers to how many hours you work in a day or in a week or maybe in a year. Basically people say, every entrepreneur, every startup person, sometimes even the employees say that they work 24/7 into 365 days. Of course, sometimes it is important to work 24 hours a day, but not always. Some people work every day to 9 to next 9 or something like that, but they are not the real heroes. The real heroes are the people who has completed their work in 6 hours and sleeping very quietly or maybe spending time or having fun. They are the real heroes because they have completed your work more efficiently. You have taken the more time. So they are the heroes, not the kamchor ones, but they are the heroes who have actually completed their work, submitted it and went home. So not always a person who works 12 hours a day or maybe 24 hours a day are the heroes. Sometimes yet it is important, but not always. If you're always working, maybe you're slow. The next thing we're going to talk about is be a starter. We have always heard the word called entrepreneur, and in this book and according to this book, it is very outdated and loaded with a lot of baggage. So they have given a word called starter. Every person, every new organization who gives job to other is called starter. Starter doesn't need an MBA degree or a beautiful suit to go somewhere. It's just a place where few people can come and share their ideas and make money out of that. So I think entrepreneur may scare somebody, but starter may not. So start it. अच्छा guys, if you like the video, please give a fine thumbs up or let me know in the comments आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा. Rework के ऊपर सारे वीडियोस आएंगे. All the book, all the chapters I'll cover in this video, in these video series. So till then, stay tuned, like the video, comment down below what else you wanna see in this channel. Also subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon. Till then, have a great life.